So if you have any koi fish or really just any pond fish, which would include goldfish, this food is fantastic. They absolutely love this. I love that it actually floats on the water. It's in a nice pellet form. It's not too large at all. I typically take some of this when I'm going out and an outing. I put it in a Ziploc bag. I just carry it with me and just kind of cast it out there, and they absolutely love it. So this bag is actually a 10-pound bag. It does come in a couple other sizes. We've got a 3-pounder, and then also if you want a very large size, then we also have a 25-pounder. I find that as I start casting this out into the water, you'll have a few fish kind of show up, and then within a couple of minutes, I have a whole school of fish. They are just eating this up. I even had a turtle that was by the side. He loved it too. But I love that it's just a small size, easy to carry around. Just take it, put it in my hand, I just kind of cast it out, and they will just eat this up. You'll make some new friends. It's great food for the fish, and I know they really enjoy it, and I hope you found this review helpful.